Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. For today's video, we're checking out this Worklight. Alright guys, so they give you a manual, your USB charging cable, and this is it. Now this Worklight, the lights rotate all 360 degrees all around, and you can adjust them however you want. Each light can be adjusted. You have a hook on top for hanging it. Also have a magnet on the bottom. Well, let's actually test that out. Yes, guys, that is a magnet for on the bottom. So you have your power light right here. You got your display right there. Extremely bright. You have multiple different modes. You can have one light on while the other one is off. Same with the other one. Very, very bright, very impressive. If you want them both facing the same direction, you can easily do that by turning it. I mean, look how bright that is. So guys, that is the difference. Look at this. Extremely bright. It's like vehicle headlights. That is insane, guys. Absolutely insane. And that's with one light on. Here's both of them. I mean, it's like the brightest headlights you could ever see. Very nice. Going to be great for working on different things. Overall, impressive.